Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. Today we have our 1999 Honda Shadow Spirit 1100. Vtwin big bore. It's got liquid cooling, shaft drive, tubeless magged wheels. It's got a nice touring windscreen, locking side cases. Only 19,700 miles on this beautiful satin black Shadow VT1100. Passenger backrest, luggage rack, floorboards for both the rider and passenger. This bike is in fantastic condition. Come by, check it out, just $29.99. This thing's not gonna be here long. Probably be more of a cash bike than a finance. Hard to get financing on a 99. Check us out on the web, www.consign.com.